The Fillet tool in Ibex allows you to insert fillets into contours in the workspace. I can activate the Fillet tool from the ribbon, and then I see the fillet parameters. The first mode is Fillet Single Corner, and in that mode, I can left-click on a contour on one side of a corner, and then left-click on the other side, and I get a preview showing a filleted corner that will be created, and then click Apply to create that fillet. I can control the radius of the fillet using the radius parameter in the ribbon. So if I increase it to 2 inches, now I get a preview of a larger fillet on this contour, and then click Apply to create it. I have a couple of other options. I have the chamfer option. This allows me to create chamfered corners instead of fillets. And then finally, I have the Keep Original option, which allows me to create a new copy of the contour I'm editing instead of editing the original, if I want to keep both. The second mode is Fillet Multiple Corners. And in this mode, I have 3 additional options. Here I can choose to fillet all corners, inside corners, or outside corners. When filleting all corners, if I select a shape like this star, you can see that the fillet is applied to every single corner on the shape. If I switch to inside corners, only the inside corners are filleted, and outside corners, only the outside corners, in this case the tips of the star, are filleted. And again, I can control the radius through the radius parameter, and then click Apply to apply the fillets. That's it for the Fillet tool in Ibex.